it's L.O.L. Today we have 3 families, Zoe's, Rumi's, and Amira's. What perfect timing. I happen to have 3 vacation tickets. Wow. Ooh, who will get which little ticket? I've got purple, blue, and gold right here. I'll pick first. Oh, hey. Well, okay, you'll be flying on the golden plane. Let's scan the ticket. Wow, brand new golden looks. Yay, so cool. All right, 2 tickets left. Who gets which one? Don't start a fight. We'll settle it fair and square. Rock, paper, scissors. Mia wins. Yay, I choose. I want the purple. Is this our cabin? It's so cozy in here.
Wow.
Please take your seats.
Look. Sweetheart, you pick first.
No, darling, I insist.
Go ahead.
No, you first.
Oh.
This seat is perfect for you.
Yes.
It's clearly meant for you.
Yes.
Oh boy, these parents. I'm sitting here. Yay. What do you think?
All right, honey. Then you sit here.
Yes.
No, dear, you go ahead.
Yes. But really, you should.
I'll help him out.
Sit down.
No, you sit.
Boy, who are you?
OMG. You snooze, you lose. Miss, where should we sit? Oh dear, sorry. Come along, sweetie. That's not your seat. I'll take you.
Hey.
Hurry and sit before someone else grabs them. Oh, all right. We did drag that out. Phew, finally seated. Now we're about to watch the best channel on YouTube. Yay, awesome.
Amazing.
I made glasses for you. Put them on. Nice. I guessed the size perfectly.
Why did I get the smallest popcorn?
A growing body needs proper snacks.
All right, enjoy it, sweetie.
And here's the TV. Enjoy the show. Cool, a new episode. Total chill vibes, guys. Hey, can I grab a piece? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
I love L.O.L.
Same. So cool. Love it. I remember this episode. Do you? Here's your blue cabin. But where are the blue outfits?
We don't know.
Oops.
Already here? Oh, they got a non-magical ticket. Oh, I've got one more. Yay! Strange. There's magic dust, but no costume. Must be a knockoff. Wow, so awesome! Hey, what about me? L.O.L. Don't be sad. Pop, we're in the workshop already. Look at all these cool supplies. Wow, I want this and this. Oh, over here. Awesome. Zoe, you're on a roll. Let's grab this ribbon. How am I supposed to untangle you now? Oh well, I'll cut you. What a dazzling shine. Zoe, by the way, that's tape, not trim. Oh wow, that's sticky. Hey, careful not to get stuck. Too late, I'm stuck. Oh dear, I'll turn this into a new top. Look how pretty. A little. Okay, a lot of blue glitter. Oh, went overboard. Oh well, it happens. And here's the skirt. Can I try it on? Of course. It turned out great. The silver belt will match perfectly. Total vibe. I'll add extra gems. Ooh, luxury style. Sapphire earrings, and the look is done. Wow, Zoe looks like a queen. Careful not to blind anyone with that sparkle. Have fun.
Here we are. Excuse us.
Finally, time to relax. Oh, the passengers are asleep.
Whoa.
I'll tuck them in. Little angels. Oh! Well, they're asleep. Zoe, what are you up to? Where's my little bag? Come on out! Wow, Z snuck a kitty on board. Sit right here, Fluffy. Good kitty, such a sweetie. Where did that sound come from? Oops, we've been caught! Hide! Who's meowing? I definitely heard it.
What?
Must have been your imagination. There it is again.
Hey!
Maybe it's the seat. Yep, totally.
Look.
Really? Are you sure? Super sure. Oh well, our seats meow all the time. I'm so bored. Let's play something.
Sorry, sweetheart, we're reading.
Dad, I have nothing to do. Passenger is bored? Well, that won't do. The other girls look bored too. Lalalu, let's come up with something. I've already got an idea. Okay. Aha, a pencil. I'll turn it into a little horse. But first, let's paint it purple. Carefully now. And of course, glitter, right? Yes. Now for the top. I'll place the template on folded felt. Tracing it now. What is it? You'll see soon. There are 2 layers here, did you notice? Now I need to stitch them together. It takes longer than using a machine, but I'm too lazy to grab it. I left a little opening at the bottom. Cutting it out, the mane will be shiny foam. With a thin brush, I'll paint the eye. Now I need stuffing. I'll draw a cloud and pop. Oh wow, it's so fluffy. Filling the piece. Sliding the straw inside. Securing it with glue and trimming it. Oh, tulle. Aw, how adorable. It'll make the cutest skirt. So sweet. And now we insert our pencil. Perfect. How lovely is that? I should make one for my little sister, too. Eva would be thrilled. Lally, take this to the girls.
Okay.
Mia, we made you a pony. A pony? Oh, so cool.
Wow.
Nay. Look what I can do.
Great job, sweetheart. I want to turn too. Let me try.
Oh no, honey. Please don't. All we want is peace, calm, and a little harmony. Please go play in another cabin. Ruby, look what I've got. Nay. Wow, no way. Lalalu, I want one too.
Yeah.
Here you go. Whoa, thanks. Giddy up. Aw, they're so cute. Let's ride over to Z. La. What's that you've got? Bestie, come join us.
Hey.
But I don't have a pony. Aw, don't worry. Here you go. Thanks. Ride with us. Where to? Same as always. Left to right. Let's go. So, the kids are gone.
Whoa.
Cabin's empty. I've got a plan. La, do. Lalalu, I've got a top secret mission. Upgrade my suitcase. What's wrong with it? It needs a hidden snack compartment, so all of this fits inside. Got it. All right, I'll try. Phew. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Hey, what's this affection? This is my home. Oh, Remy, where are you? Oh, wait, where do you think you're going? Hey, stop! Remy! Oops, emotional damage fee. Okay, let's pack all the snacks in here. Oh man, it won't close. I'll have to cut off the wheels. All right, got it. I'll place the foam sheet and trim it to shape. The goodies will go right here. Wow, Zoe sure has an appetite. Snap, and everything's hidden. Shh, it's a secret stash. Hey, is that you again? Let go. I was just passing by. Nice. I'll decorate the suitcase with stickers. Ooh, adorable. Rhinestones on the handle and brand new wheels. Vroom! Off to Zoe. Psst, your order. Ooh, finally.
Wow.
Nobody's watching?
Huh?
You asleep? Stay asleep. Over here. I'll eat it all myself. No sharing. My precious. What's in your suitcase?
Huh?
Is that candy? No. Are you sure? Absolutely. Really? Not sweets? Promise. Then why are you wearing a bib? It's the trend of the season.
Did someone say candy?
Nope. Open it up. Let's check. Easy. It's just clothes. All right. Doesn't look like anything forbidden. Fooled you, my little cuties. Okay, nobody peeking? My yummy treats. I'm about to eat it all. Whoa, are those snacks? Gimme, gimme, gimme! Oh, soda, let's fuel the pony. You're the best, Mommy. Hey, we're up. I'll take just a little, Mrs. Zoe, thanks. Well, great. There go my sweets. Wow, look at this awesome set I bought. It's got a spa, a hair salon, and so much more. Unboxing time. Alrighty, this is the bathtub. And here's the styling corner. Oh, sounds like something in my mom's language. Brushes go right here. The chair looks just like the real deal. Snap it in place. Whoa, did you see the sauna? Towels on the stand? A bunch of mysterious little gadgets. Okay, let's start with, hi, L.O.L. Everything's so blue, you're blending in. There we go, much better.
Whoa, a real salon. This is awesome.
Hey there, buddy. What are you doing here? Oh, I think I'm stuck.
Hang on, bro. I'm coming to save you.
Pull me out.
I'm pulling.
Awkward situation.
Phew.
We're in the tub.
Well, guess it's relaxation time.
Whoa, whoa.
That's a lot of bubbles.
Whoa. Is this a manicure? I'm stuck again.
I can't see anything.
Oops, looks like a new hairstyle is happening.
I've been abducted by aliens.
Guys, are you here? Gosh, what happened to you?
Hey, how do you like my new look? Absolutely stunning, right, sweetie?
Check out my nails.
Boys, that's a total slay. Bro, take a look at yourselves.
Ah! What happened to us?
The plane just sped up. Emergency landing announced.
How are we supposed to walk out looking like this?
What do we do?
Boys, there you are. Time to get off.
Hey.
L.O.L, can you make me a float? Of course, just a sec. Honey, is that a new hairstyle?
Oh, don't even ask.
Oh, I've got lots of swim rings here. I'll take this one. There'll be a little duck on it. But this one's too small. Where's my collection? Maybe this one? Nope. Ooh, this one's perfect. Snip. Great. Now I need to fix the color. I'll choose purple. Covering the ring with acrylic paint. Lovely. Now it looks amazing. It needs some sparkle, don't you think? Yes. Let's seal it with varnish. Oh, and who's this over here? What a fabulous tail. May I borrow a feather?
I did not say yes.
The wings turned out adorable. I'll make the crown extra fancy. Gems go right here. Wow, this looks gorgeous. Wow, thank you. I'm off. Guys, we've arrived. Hurry, let's swim and sunbathe, Golden Crew.
Hey.
But where did our plane actually land? Yay, sand. Is that snow? Hey, that wasn't the plan. Subscribe and hit like so I don't freeze.
Hey.
Even the north can be fun. See you next time. Woohoo!